I just got this order from shiftinglands.com, and today we're going to open it up and put everything together. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So today I am going to unbox and put together my order from shiftinglands.com. Now what you see is exactly how I got it. Wrapped in bubble wrap, no box, with a packing slip stuck to the outside. This shipped from the Netherlands, so it had me a little worried, but there was no damage, so I feel pretty good about it. But nevertheless, it worried me when I had it sitting on my front porch. Now, I placed an order for 2 of the Picolo cork boards for a circle cutting jig and for a guide for my Proxxon hot wire cutter. For now, I'm putting together the circle cutting jig, and I'll go ahead and open up the corkboard Picolo and the guide. After my dry fit, I'm confident that I can put these together, so we're going to go ahead and glue these up using a little Aleene's tacky glue. They offer these cork boards in different sizes. I opted for the smallest one they make, and honestly, when do I ever paint more than 7 miniatures at one time? This one is a little more complicated to assemble, so I definitely would take a look at the instructions, but we'll do the same process, just using a little Aleene's tacky glue to put everything together. The last step in the process is to slide this small piece of wood into the T-square guide slot and then glue that or nail that to the bottom of our guide. We want to make sure that we line the guide up perfectly with the grid pattern on the top of our Proxxon hot wire cutter. Last thing we would want is to get this out of square. So now that you've heard a little bit about the products and what I think about them, let me tell you about the one bad experience ordering from shiftinglands.com. So when I placed my order, I ordered 2 of these corkboard Picolos. Unfortunately, I only received 1, as you see when I unboxed it. I emailed them, and when I got a response back, they apologized and said that they would send out the missing one, but I have yet to receive it. Now, I'm sure that they will take care of me, but nevertheless, it was disappointing to place an order and not receive the product that I purchased. As always, thank you for watching the video, and keep on making stuff. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.